creating a balanced daily routine is essential for nurturing both your body and mind. A well-structured routine can help you effectively manage your time, avoid burnout, and achieve your fitness and wellness goals. Let's explore how to craft a routine that promotes a healthier lifestyle and integrates seamlessly into your day-to-day life. Begin your day with intention. Mornings can set the tone for the entire day, so consider starting with activities that energize you. This might be a refreshing 10-minute stretch or a brief meditation session that calms the mind. Moving into breakfast, nourish your body with a balanced meal rich in proteins and healthy fats, ensuring consistent energy levels throughout your morning. Envision the sun rising as you savor your meal, preparing to face the demands ahead. As your day unfolds, take the opportunity to weave physical activity into your daily tasks. Instead of remaining sedentary for long stretches, set reminders to stand and stretch every hour. Imagine standing by a window, letting in natural light and performing quick stretches to keep your muscles limber whenever possible. Swap the elevator for the stairs. Picture yourself scaling the steps, heart pumping as you make your way to your next destination. Each small choice adds up to significant physical activity over time. When the afternoon arrives, dedicate time to a quick workout. Picture a refreshing 20-30 minutes spent engaging in your favorite cardio or strength training routine, feeling every muscle come alive. This exercise not only boosts endorphins but also enhances focus, preparing you for the tasks ahead. After your workout, remember to hydrate and refuel with a healthy snack, perhaps crunchy veggies paired with hummus, fueling your body for the rest of the day. As evening approaches, carve out moments to unwind. This could involve leisurely walks, reading a book, or practicing yoga, allowing your body to recover while connecting with your passions. Cultivating this relaxation time is crucial for mental well-being. Before resting for the night, reflect on your day, celebrating small victories and preparing your mind for the following day. Picture yourself lying in bed, satisfied and at peace, ready to enjoy restorative sleep. Through these deliberate steps, a balanced routine can elevate your health and well-being, making life feel rich and fulfilling.